When I was about 13, I wrote an essay on Auschwitz, and I was trying to understand it. I think maybe I tried to understand it in a way that was somewhat different than most people who examine historical events, because I was trying to understand how human beings could do that, knowing full well that I was one of them. And that's the critical thing, because generally when people examine especially something horrifying that's done by humanity, they make the assumption that it's other people doing it, and that's a big mistake in my estimation, because if a lot of human beings have done something terrible, you can be sure that being a human being that you're capable of it.
There was a lesson to learn from the Holocaust. We're always reminded that. Never forget. We've learned our lesson. There's a lesson to be learned. It's like, okay, fair enough, man. What was the lesson? That's the question. What was the lesson? And the lesson is, you're the Nazi. That's the lesson. It's like, really? Really? Oh God, that's a terrible lesson. But I don't see another lesson. It's you. Well, no one wants to learn that. I mean, that's what I've been teaching my students since 1993. It's like, if you were there, that would have been you. You think, well, I'd be Oskar Schindler, I'd be rescuing the Jews. It's like, no, I'm afraid not.
Yeah,
You'd at least not be saying anything.
Right.
And you might also be actively participating. You might also enjoy it. You never know.